Okay, so for this project I'm using the stitch guide foot. And then I'm lining the previous line of stitching up with the second notch from the needle. So that'll be 4 millimeters. The lines will be 4 millimeters apart. So even though we've got these guidelines on the bed of the machine here, as you can see, once you've used a substantial amount of your fabric, those are all covered up. So this foot is fantastic for doing that. It does still involve a lot of concentration because you've got to keep that little notch, or whichever notch it is you're using, lined up with the previous line of stitching. So you can't ever look away, basically. You need to keep your eye on that notch and on that line. But other than that, it makes stitching straight lines super easy. Okay, so I've finished with all the straight line stitching. So I'm going to just pull these threads through to the back and tie little knots here, little granny knots. So left over right, right over left. And then just trim those off. Okay, so I've made my own applique fabric. I've done a tutorial on this in the past, so I'll put a link to that in the description. But it's a really handy thing to do, especially when you want to just add a little bit of fabric, applique fabric into place. perfect picture frame besides the staples. That's okay. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.